Hello, everyone. This is Clint Haynes, certified financial planner and founder of NextGen Wealth, as well as the Achieving Financial Awesomeness blog. And thank you so much for coming back today to check out our newest blog on retirement income. It's kind of our step-by-step guide to not running out of money in retirement, which obviously is it's pretty important to do if you're getting closer to that date. So really, what this blog is about, I really just wanted to create a super thorough guide that folks who are getting close to retirement or maybe just started in retirement, just as a kind of a checklist to make sure they get their I's dotted, their T's crossed, because I think that's probably the biggest fear that I hear in just different studies that I read about is, hey, do I have enough money to live off of in retirement? And if not, how much do I need to have? And what are other things maybe I haven't thought about today? So definitely have dug in deep here with this blog post. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions at all, as always, just feel free to click on contact us in the top right hand corner. And anything at all, reach out. But I hope you enjoy this guide on retirement income and making sure you don't run out of money in retirement. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.